This image contains a printed sheet outlining the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. It defines key terms used in naval architecture and ship stability analysis. Key term GM. Metacentric height, the vertical distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. It indicates ship stability. A higher GE means better stability. 2. Kg, kilo to center of gravity. The height of the center of gravity from the keel bottom of the ship hull. 3. Km, keel to metacenter. The height of the metacenter from the keel. 4. Kb, keel to center of buoyancy. The height of the center of buoyancy from the keel. 5. GC, lightning lever, the horizontal distance between the force of height acting downward at G and buoyancy acting upward at B. This data determines the ship's ability to return an upright position and tilting. 6. V, center of buoyancy, the point where the upward buoyancy force acts. Number 7. M, metacenter, the point where the buoyancy force acts when the ship tilts slightly. It helps determine stability. 8. G, center of gravity, the point of the ship weight is concentrated. 9. Angle of heel, the angle at which it tilts leads on one side due external export, wind or waves. Purpose. This nomenclature is crucial in ship stability analysis to ensure vessels remain upward and safe in water. A positive GE means the ship is stable, while a negative GE means ship is prone of capsizing.
Number 4. Explanation. The metacentric height GM is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. Ang metacentric height GM usa ka sukod sa initial nga kalig-on sa barko. Ang mas taas nga bilis sa GM nagpakita sa mas maayo nga initial nga kalig-on. Kini usa ka kahulugan dili usa ka pangutana palihog paghatag og initial stability. Initial stability is the resistance of a ship to small changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. Ang paunang katatagan ay ang paglaban ng isang barko sa maliliit na pagbabago sa pagkakaiba sa pagitan ng mga vertical na puwersa na inalapat sa dalawang panig nito. Ito ay isang kahulugan, hindi isang tanong mangyayaring magbigay ng tanong o gawain. Stability of a ship. The stability of a ship is its tendency to return to its original upright state when an external force is applied or removed. Ang katatagan ng isang barko ay ang tendensya nitong bumalik sa orihinal nitong tuwid na estado kapag ang isang panlabas na puwersa ay inilapat o inalis. Ito ay isang kahulugan, hindi isang tanong mangyaring magbigay ng tanong o gawain. Factors affecting stability. The shape of the hull, the draft, and the trim all affect the stability of a ship. Mga salik na nakakaapekto sa katatagan: ang hugis ng katawan ng barko, ang draft, at ang trim ay nakakaapekto sa katatagan ng isang barko. Inilarawan ng bahayag na ito ang tatlong salik na naka-impluwensya sa katatagan ng isang barko. Walang tanong na dapat sagutin kung mayroon kang tanong tungkol sa katatagan ng barko o alinman sa mga salit na ito. Mangyaring ibigay ito. Thank you.
This image appears to be structural or mechanical diagram, or possibly related to beam bending moment distribution or shear force representation. It consists of a curved and straight line structure labeled with different points and measurement. Key element labels key, G, MB, etc. This seems to be denote specific points along the structure. Arrow and dimension EG, GM, BM, KM. This indicate measured length or distance between critical points. Curve section left side. This could represent a depression shape, a stress distribution curve, or a load repose. Straight section right side. This might detect a defect, an idealized structural component, or a simplified representation of force acting on the system.